Hey creatives, it's a comfort food kind of day, if you know what I mean. You know something I struggle with when I'm having days like this? Self-deprecating humor. We all know we kind of shouldn't be doing it, putting ourselves down. If you make a mistake, you're like, ha ha, I'm so stupid, all that sort of thing. Now, I understand why we do it. We do it to cover up insecurity. We do it to ensure that we don't get full of ourselves. There are a lot of reasons. In fact, it's usually a disarming tactic to get people around you not mad at you when you mess up. That's psychology stuff. Put it aside. We're sticking with arts. One of the habits that we tend to fall into as creatives, especially if we're coming out of block, is we are self-deprecating about it. Now, we all know about the creative gap where what you want to make is up here and what you're able to make is down here, which is normal. And as you get better, your taste also gets better. So you're never going to make something that you're 100% satisfied with, but that's every creative on the planet. So it doesn't mean anything. It's just something that we go through. But the problem is sometimes we make that gap big. And instead of seeing the good stuff in what we're making, like, yeah, it's tiny and it's a little messed up, but you know what? There's potential in here, or it's starting to get the flavor that I want, or hey, I really nailed that shading on that guy's shoe. This stuff matters. And instead of thinking about the self-deprecating aspect, instead of putting it down, instead of saying, oh, it's not good enough, it's never good enough, we need to start focusing on the stuff that we did get right. No, it's not going to make you arrogant. No, people won't think that you're arrogant just because you're not stabbing your work with a knife. I know this is really hard to do because you want it to be better than it is, so the natural tendency is to stab it with a knife. Don't. Instead, see the parts of it that are worth keeping. See how you have gotten better than you were a month ago, a year ago, and then keep making more. That is the key to all of this. Keep making more art. If it's going to be bad, let it be bad. But the next time you make it, it'll be a little less bad. You can do this, creative. I'm still working on this, and so can you. So let's work on it together. Sit down with me now, and let's make something new.